What's up everybody? Welcome back to business.com. In this video today we'll be comparing some of the best CRM software available. I'll touch on some of the top providers, and towards the end of this video I'll even give you a convenient comparison chart so you can easily spot some of the key differences. Now if you're looking for a more in-depth analysis, head on over to our website business.com where we have additional articles, reviews, and comparison pages. Okay, let's get to it. Monday CRM by Monday.com is a CRM system for small to mid-sized businesses. It simplifies team workload management with easy-to-use drag and drop tools for creating tailored workflow automations. It allows you to manage leads and track customer interactions across various channels and record them in a shared database. And it provides instant performance insights with customizable real-time dashboards, helping marketing teams plan, launch, and track campaigns efficiently. Pipedrive is an intuitive CRM platform that's ideal for process automation. It offers highly visual and customizable sales pipeline, making it easy to track and manage leads and deals. With its advanced automation features, Pipedrive helps streamline repetitive tasks, allowing sales teams to focus on closing deals. And it integrates various communication tools, including email and chat, ensuring seamless interaction and follow-ups with leads and clients. Freshworks Fresh Sales includes all the core CRM features a business needs to manage and support customer relationships. For starters, Freshworks CRM centralizes customer information, providing a 360-degree view that enhances customer interactions. The platform's AI capabilities offer predictive analytics and smart recommendations. And Freshworks also easily integrates with popular business tools, streamlining workflows and enhancing productivity across sales, marketing, and customer support teams. Hubspot CRM offers a wide range of tools for marketing, sales, and customer service, all integrated into a single platform. The platform's drag and drop tool makes it easy to streamline complex sales and marketing processes. HubSpot's advanced analytics and reporting tools provide deep insights into team performance, helping to identify weak points in the sales funnel and refine strategies for improved results. And HubSpot CRM can grow with your business. This offers scalable solutions and customizable features to meet evolving needs. Oracle NetSuite CRM seamlessly integrates with NetSuite's ERP and financial systems, providing a unified platform for managing all aspects of the business. It provides powerful analytics and real-time reporting capabilities, enabling data-driven decision-making and enhanced business insights. And there's a great range of sales aids, including CPQ for complex quotes, upselling and cross-selling recommendations, and partner management programs for third-party sales. As promised in the beginning of this video, here's a quick comparison breakdown of some key considerations for these 5 vendors. When choosing a provider, pay attention to features and functionality, usability, pricing, and customer support. So there you have it. I hope this video was helpful in choosing the right CRM software for your business. If it was, be sure to like and subscribe for more valuable insights, and as always, thank you for watching.